Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make lightning effect on CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for VC, and for example I'm going to add this clip, and then you can see the original video like this. And I'm going to add lightning effect. How to just simple select effect, and you can looking for lightning effect in texture, nature, and then here's just the okay, we can adjust for atmosphere and speed like this. So here we go. Okay, that's simple how to lightning effect on CapCut app. So if you find it useful, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate it. Bye bye.